Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw by the title, today I'm going to be doing the BRATZ challenge, so let's get into it. Starting out with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, I'm just quickly priming my eyes for eyeshadow. Using the JACLYN Hill palette and taking the color Silk Cream, I'm just working that into the crease. So I'm doing my regular eye makeup. If you want to check out my everyday makeup tutorial, it'll be up here in the eye. It's the same thing. So I'm making sure to blend out Silk Cream, and then I'm going in with the shade Creamsicle, and for this I'm just blowing it out, doing the same thing for each color. Then I'm taking butter and I'm doing the same thing with this one, and also I am blowing out this eyeshadow. Then I'm just taking the color Pukey and I'm focusing that in the crease and on the outer V. Lastly, I'm taking Mocha and I am focusing that also in the crease and the outer V just to create more depth in the look. Then I'm going in with my Bye Bye Under Eye and I'm just cutting the crease. For this look, we're doing a half cut crease because if you look at the BRATZ, she only has like a half cut crease going on, so. Then I'm just setting that with Canvas from the James Charles palette. Then I am going where I cut the crease and I'm taking this glitter liner by Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just cutting the crease again with that glitter liner. Then right there on the edge of the cut crease, I'm just putting some shadow just to create a blend. Then quickly curling my lashes and applying some mascara. This is obviously the Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. Then I'm applying some lashes. These are the Lash Dream lashes in the style Tease. Now, I'm just gonna say right now, I totally forgot about the wing liner. I feel like BRATZ always have like some type of wing liner and I totally forgot. When I'm finished with the look, I realize and I put liner on, but for now, this is what we have. To be honest, I like the look without liner way more. So if you want to just leave it like this, you totally can, because this looks really doll-like because these lashes are super long. Next, just prepping my skin with the Nivea cream and the Believe Aqua Bomb. Then starting on foundation, this is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm just dotting that all over my face. I'm using this foundation because this foundation is super full coverage, and I feel like BRATZ are super perfect, so we want our skin to look amazing. Then going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this concealer is super full coverage too, so perfect for this look. I'm getting my powder ready. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just blending out that concealer. Right after blending, you want to make sure to put some translucent powder on. I always put it on with the sponge. I don't necessarily bake, but I like to apply it with my sponge. Like I said, I don't like to bake, so quickly after I set it, I pat it out with this Morphe brush. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm warming up the skin. So for this look, I am going to contour heavily, or not contour, but bronze, because BRATZ are super bronzy and super snatched. I felt like this was the perfect time to get my headband out, so I made this headband out of glitter from Target and cardboard and some wire and a headband, and it was pretty easy, to be honest. It came out really nice too. Super glittery, super glam, and it looks exactly like hers. Then to finish off the face, I'm just spraying my face with MAC Fix Plus and I'm applying highlight. So I'm going to be applying a lot of highlight for this look because the BRATZ dolls are always super highlighted. I don't know if you can see, but her nose has a little point, you know, a little highlighted tip, and then also the forehead is really highlighted on BRATZ dolls. Then I'm going in with my Artist Couture Jackie AINA Lip Peach highlight and a BH Cosmetics blending brush. And I'm going in with a small brush to do some more detail on my nose and the tip of my nose. Also making sure to highlight my inner corners. Then I'm applying a little gem. It was a circle, but I got some scissors and I cut off the sides of it so it looks like a little teardrop. And I applied that with some lash glue. Then I'm going in with my red lip combo. This is Hot Fire by Desi and Katie. It's a collab with Dose of Colors. And then my MILANI AMORE matte lip cream in the color AMORE. This look is a lot more basic than the looks that I do on my channel, so I wanted to put some glitter under my eyes. I also, later on, I put some chunky glitter down there. And then I felt like I wanted to put more gems on my face, so I do that. I don't know if you can tell, but I also added a wing liner. And it took me a while to find out the placement of where I wanted these gems. The Bratz doll only has one gem, but like I said, I wanted to make this look a little extra. After adding some chunky glitter, that was everything for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!